come down today to have a look at the Express showroom, have a look at the new products that they've got available, particularly have a look at the sliding doors just to see how they've advanced.
I've come today because we had some work done with the Express team about 5 years ago, and today I've come down to look at the pergolas to see what we can add to the garden.
Extremely impressed, and never lets me down. Every time we refer an Express to a customer, the showroom has always been one of the main selling points.
It's also magical. It's a showroom that no other producer manufacturer has. So when we send customers down here and clients, people we know that they're going to get the same magical experience.
It's just got such a wow factor, it's unbelievable. And there's so much to see, and the welcome you get is so friendly as well.
Really completes, the Express range. It means that we can specify doors and windows and also have like matching outdoor products to go with it.
I think they're brilliant. I think, he's sucking more for us to add to the house just to, make the home really enjoyable. We love the space that was created before, and this is just going to add to it in the garden.
Absolutely love them. I think
Yeah.
they look classy, sturdy.
Yeah, we'll be buying one, but they're so neutral.
I just think they're amazing.
The pivot doors, very impressed with them.
Triple glazed sliding doors with the huge panes of glass, just allow so much light in. Really good to see those firsthand.
It looks like we're having to redo the whole house, so.
Looking at the pergolas, also this lean-to down there that we're quite interested in.
Like I said, we're leaving very shortly.
When you drive here, it's a big base. There's a factory next door. It's all local. So that's just a lovely environment to be in.
I think the fact that you can have a walk around, look where they're being made and everything is one of those amazing things that people just do not get to see where things are made. And I think it's all part of it. It gives people peace of mind that they're not made in a distant part of the world, they're actually made here in West Yorkshire.